In today's video, we're going to look at how to use Relume to generate a full website sitemap in Wireframe in minutes. If you're one of those people who has sat in front of a blank screen trying to figure out what pages you need for your website, what sections go where, or just how to structure it in general, you already know how frustrating that can be. And this is actually where so many people get stuck, not in the design or building, but in the actual planning phase. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can go from a simple idea to a fully structured website blueprint using AI. By the end, you'll understand how to generate a sitemap, turn it into wireframes, customize everything, and actually move into the design phase with confidence. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the basics and talk about what Relume actually is. So Relume is an AI-powered website planning and design tool that focuses on structure first instead of just visuals. You essentially give it a short description of your business or project, and it's going to generate a sitemap with pages and sections that make sense for whatever you're building. Then it takes that structure and turns it into wireframes, which are simple layouts that show where everything goes on the page. Think of it like going from idea to structure to layout without the overwhelm. Most people just jump straight into design tools and just end up reworking everything because they didn't plan properly. Relume flips that process and gives you a clear foundation, so when you do move into design, everything already has direction. So if you want to follow along with what I'm going to show you, we do have an exclusive link down below where you can test everything out for free. So the first step is generating your sitemap, and this is where everything begins. You essentially just enter a short prompt describing your business or your project, something simple but clear enough for the AI to understand your goal. For example, you might describe a fitness coach, an online store, or a personal brand, and the tool is going to build a structured map of pages for you. What's powerful about this is that you're just not starting from zero. The AI creates a logical layout with pages and suggested sections, etc. So again, instead of guessing what your website needs, you're starting with a framework that already follows best practices. Okay, so now let's just say we want to do some sort of coffee shop. So I'm just going to put in a modern neighborhood coffee shop that serves high quality espresso, matcha, and fresh pastries in a calm, welcoming space designed for work and connection. Okay, go ahead and click generate. As you can see, it is mapping everything out for us. It's completely generating the sitemap, and you can see we've got the nav bar, we've got the hero section, it's got the featured list section, the benefits, the stats, testimonials. So this is your description right here, and then you can add the number of pages, and then of course you can select your language, then home, and then we've got the menu, we've got the about us, the blog. So again, it's just mapping out your whole site. Now, the next step, once your sitemap is generated, is just refining it so it actually fits your business. You can click into any page, rename the sections, delete anything that doesn't make sense, and add new sections where needed. This is where you turn that general structure into something that actually aligns with your brand and offer. Relume also includes a large library of pre-built sections like testimonials, pricing tables, galleries, and calls to action. This just makes it easy to build out your pages without overthinking what to include. So instead of asking what should go here, you're choosing from proven layouts and then adjusting them to your needs. So as you can see, like I've already pointed this out, it's created the whole sitemap. So now what we can do, if we want to add pages, we can select over here. So if we want to add the, an FAQs section, if we want to add a feature, now maybe we want to add FAQs at the bottom, right? So we can just go ahead and add that. Bam. If we want to move anything around, we can go ahead and drag it really easily. Okay. And you can just go through this page by page. If you want to create a whole other page, you can go ahead and select. So maybe you want to start with an announcement bar. Maybe you want there to be a blog list. So maybe this is just a complete blog. Okay. So again, you can customize it completely. Okay. Now after your sitemap is completely dialed in, you can convert it to wireframes. So this is where your website really starts to take shape. So Relume takes each page and creates a low fidelity layout showing where text, images, buttons, and sections are going to go. This just gives you a clear visual of your site before you ever design anything. Wireframes are one of the most overlooked steps in building a website, but they're also one of the most important. They help you see if your layout actually flows properly, if your messaging makes sense, and if the user experience actually feels intuitive. Catching those issues early is just going to save you so much time and prevents you from having to rebuild later on. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and go to the wireframe. We'll let that generate. As you can see, it's generating everything, right? So again, we have a visual layout of what it's actually going to look like. Then from there, again, you can add sections, you can edit. If you want to move things around, you're really kind of looking at a zoomed out version so you can see what it's going to look like, which is so powerful. Now, once Once your wireframes are in place, Relume allows you to explore visual direction through its style guide feature. You can choose different color palettes, typography styles, and overall design direction to see how your site could look when it's fully designed. This just helps, again, to bridge that gap between structure and aesthetics. This feature is so helpful if you're working with clients or building multiple concepts. Instead of jumping straight into detailed design, you can present different directions quickly and get feedback before actually committing. It keeps the process efficient while still allowing for that creativity. So again, you'll go ahead and come in here. You can go ahead and adjust this if you would like. You can change all of the colors here. You can add more colors if you would like. You can change the typography, right? Like one of my fave fonts, Playfair Display, the body text. Okay, you can go ahead and select a body text. If you have one that you like, you can go ahead and adjust. You can change the buttons if you would like. You can take a look at the different cards and images. So again, they just make it so easy to design everything and adjust. And then again, so you can see the bigger picture before you actually create the website. Then again, in design, you can kind of see what it looks like here. Okay, now after planning and wireframing and using the style guide, you can connect directly into your build process. So you can essentially export your structure into Figma for design or use Relume's component-based system in Webflow to start building your site. This just makes it easier to move from planning to executing without starting over. Instead of rebuilding your site from scratch inside another tool, you're essentially working from a structured foundation that's already been mapped out. This is going to save you so much time and also keep your project organized from start to finish. What's really important to understand is that Relume is not trying to replace design tools or fully build your website for you. Its main role is to handle the planning and structure so that everything you do after that is so much more intentional. It sits at the beginning of your workflow, not at the end. A lot of AI tools focus on generating full designs instantly, but that can lead to messy results if the structure isn't solid. So again, Relume focuses on the foundation first, which in most cases leads to a way better final product. Okay, now let's go ahead and dive into the pros and cons. So Relume is incredibly strong when it comes to planning and organization. It removes one of the hardest parts of building a website, which is figuring out what pages you need and how everything should be structured. It also speeds up your workflow by giving you a starting point in minutes instead of hours. Now, on the other hand, it's not a complete solution on its own. The free plan is limited, especially when it comes to accessing full wireframes and exporting projects. The AI gives you a really strong starting point, but you still need to refine the structure and design based on your specific goals and brand. Okay, now let's dive into the different plans and pricing options. So again, you can get started for free using our link down below. Now, within the free plan, you get one project, one page. You can share read-only link. You can export Figma only, 30 Webflow components, etc. Then they've got the starter plan, which is $18 per month. You get one project, 5 pages, and then more components. And then they've got the pro plan, which is $40 per month for one person. You get unlimited projects, unlimited pages, share, comment, and then the same amount of components. Lastly is the team plan, which is $36 per month per person, minimum 3 people. So you get everything in the pro, but you get 3 users, each user with pro features, team workspace, and then branded sharing. Okay, so try out the free plan if anything to see if it fits well with your workflow. Then you can go ahead and upgrade from there. You can even get started with a 7-day free trial for the upgraded plans as well. Relume is a really great option if you're someone who struggles with planning websites, structure, or you're just finding yourself overthinking what pages and sections need to be included. It's especially helpful for freelancers, agencies, and entrepreneurs who want to move faster without sacrificing on quality. At the same time, it's not meant to replace your entire design process. If you're working on highly custom or complex projects, you still need to bring your own expertise into that final build. The key is to use it as a starting point that gives you clarity, not as a finished solution. Planning a website truly doesn't need to feel overwhelming or time consuming. When you have a clear structure from the beginning, everything else becomes easier, from design to development to actually launching your site. And tools like Relume help remove that initial friction so you can focus on execution. If you're building websites, using AI to speed up your planning process is one of the easiest ways to save time and improve your results. Start simple, test it out, and pay attention to how much faster your workflow becomes once you're not starting from scratch every single time. Again, if you want to check out Relume, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best AI tools to work smarter and grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.